Have you ever wondered why getting approved for that loan or credit card feels like a distant dream? Or maybe you've been left frustrated with the endless cycle of being denied, no matter how hard you try. What if I told you there's a way to change all of that? What if you could build your credit score and unlock a future of financial freedom? In this video, we're going to break down the step-by-step process of how to build your credit score from scratch or improve the one you have so you can finally take control of your finances. Stick around because these strategies will not only help you get better loan rates, but they'll also save you money for years to come. First things first, let's understand what credit score actually is. It's a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. Lenders use it to assess your risk, how likely you are to repay borrowed money. Think of it like your financial report card. How to build your credit score. Step 1. Understand what impacts your credit score. First things first, let's break down what actually impacts your credit score. There are 5 key factors. Payment history, 35%. Credit utilization, 30%. Length of credit history, 15%. Types of credit, 10%. New credit, 10%. Your payment history is the big one. It makes up 35% of your score. The better your payment record, the better your score. So if you're serious about improving your score, this is your first priority. Late payments or collections can really hurt your score, so aim to always pay your bills on time. Step 2, check your credit report for errors. Step 2 is to check your credit report for errors. This may sound simple, but it's an essential step. You can access your free credit report once a year from the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Go to annualcreditreport.com and get your hands on it. Errors like an incorrect late payment, accounts you don't recognize, or even old debts that have been paid off can appear on your report. These things can drag your score down unnecessarily. Dispute those errors immediately and you'll see a quick improvement in your score. Step 3. Pay bills on time, no matter what. Now on to step 3, pay your bills on time. This is so important for your credit. As we mentioned earlier, payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. So if you're consistently paying late, you're hurting your credit. To make it easier, set up automatic payments on your credit cards and bills. Or at the very least, set calendar reminders so you don't miss due dates. This is one of the simplest ways to improve your credit score without lifting a finger. Step 4. Keep your credit utilization below 30%. Step 4 is all about credit utilization. This is the amount of credit you're using compared to your credit limit. To boost your score, aim to keep it under 30%. For example, if you have a $1,000 credit limit, try not to carry more than $300 in debt. If you find yourself using more than 30% of your credit limit, try paying it down. The lower your utilization, the better your score will be. And don't close old accounts. You want to maintain a low ratio of debt to available credit. Step 5. Build credit with a secured credit card or credit builder loan. If you're starting from scratch or rebuilding your credit, consider getting a secured credit card. With a secured card, you deposit money up front. This becomes your credit limit. You can then use the card just like any other, and as long as you pay it off each month, you'll build your credit. Another option? A credit builder loan. These are small loans offered by banks or credit unions where the loan amount is held in a savings account until you repay it. It's a great way to demonstrate your ability to repay debts and build your score. Step 6. Don't apply for too much new credit. Each time you apply for a new card, it triggers a hard inquiry on your credit report. Too many hard inquiries in a short amount of time can negatively impact your score. Instead, only apply for credit when it's absolutely necessary. And if you're building credit, space out your applications for new cards. Step 7. Be patient. It takes time. Lastly, be patient. Building or improving your credit takes time. It's not something that happens overnight, but by staying consistent with these steps, you'll start seeing results. Remember, the key to a high credit score is consistency. Keep paying on time, monitor your utilization, and be strategic with your credit use. Over time, you'll see your score rise, and with it, more opportunities to save money. Now that you have the tools to improve your credit, it's time to take action. Start today, whether it's checking your report for errors or paying off that balance. You're one step closer to mastering your finances. Got questions or want more tips? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical ways to build your financial future. You've got this.